Hey guys, welcome back to a new video from Swanky Snacks. I hope you all are having a great day. Today I have a fun new video for you. We just received a package full of goodies that will be going into the vending machines.
Yep.
Let's check out the contents. By the way guys, if you haven't already, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it and love you forever. Look at that. So I bought an 84 pack of HERRS variety chips and snacks. Got popcorn, some onion rings. I got all sorts of
Ranch
stuff.
habanero.
If you guys go to the website, you can easily place an order for a variety pack of chips. And just look at this supply that we got. Boy, these are going to make the customers happy. Comment down below if you've tried these before. We got 10 salt and vinegar, 10 creamy ranch and habanero, 5 hot and honey cheese curls, and 5 regular honey cheese curls. Ten onion rings, 5 jalapeno popper cheese curls, 3 hot sauce, 5 cheddar cheese popcorn, and 5 regular popcorn. We got 5 sweet corn popcorn. We tried this in the 24-hour challenge. 10 creamy dill pickle, 5 honey barbecue chips, 3 red hot flavored, and 5 buffalo blue cheese cheese curls. That to me is the grossest. I'm not a big blue cheese guy, so how about if this video can get 1,000 views, the blue cheese curls will be the next item that I try at the end of my next video, okay? Yeah, we're gonna take these chips now and we're gonna go fill my machines with them. Let's go. Alright, now we're gonna take out some of these older chips that have not sold and we're gonna combine a row here to make room for some of the new chips. Alright guys, and while we are here, we are going to do my favorite part about being in the vending machine business. We are going to collect the money that's been stacking up here the past 2 weeks. Here's the drink machine at one of my locations, just in case you guys were wondering how they've been doing. This isn't really a collection video, but I'm going to show you how the machines have been doing. They are still making cash. They are doing great, I am happy to say. The change I usually collect every month or so, but they use it up here, so I collect it about once a month. Alright, now the snack machine. Wow, look at that, guys. This box is full. These kids and employees and customers love their snacks here. Alright, we are now at my next location. We are in the employee break room, and we are going to stock this baby up. Let's get to work, guys. Alright, machine's all filled up. Now let's check out this money. And look at that, guys. The money box is overflowing with dollar bills. We're going to grab that. We're going to stash it in our pop box. We're going to lock up the machine. And those are the coins for the past month. Alright, we are in the second machine at the same location. A lot of selections are empty. Let's fill her up. And there we have it, guys. Got the salt and vinegar, got the buffalo cheese curls in there. We also got the honey curls in there. This machine is ready to go. Let's collect that money. Oh yeah, another machine, another money box overflowing with dollar bills. Collect the change that's been building up the past month. Let's get out of here, guys. So I wanted to show you guys that while we were doing all this, that, you know, I checked to see how all my machines were doing in the 24 hours we were working. And we have made well over $100 so far. But anyway, we are now just throwing all the money we collected now in the bin. This is all the change we've collected. Location number 1, location number 2, and location number 3. Let's get this money counted. This will be the end of the video, but if you haven't hit the like button or the subscribe button, please do that. I love y'all forever. Yeah, that's alright. For the past 2 weeks, we have collected $683.60 just cash. In case anybody didn't know, you can go to our website and you can request products there. So if you are specifically feeling a, HERRS snack or, a certain kind of candy, you can always go to our website and request the product, and then this form will be sent directly to me, and I can make sure that it gets put into one of the vending machines. Alright. For the segment of trying a new snack, we are trying the Winter Edition Iced Vanilla Berry Red Bull. Comment down below if you've tried this before. Cheers. Ooh, that's actually not bad. It kind of reminds me of a slushie, like the blue raspberry slushies. Ooh, it's pretty good. Not the biggest Red Bull guy, but I'll give it a good 7.5 out of 10, 7.5. I would definitely sell this in my vending machines, and I just might. We'll see you in the next video.